Customize your ideal culinary solution in more ways than ever with Thermador Built-in Ovens, an innovative offering of convection, steam, speed ovens, and warming drawers. Maximize your cooking potential with the exceptional performance of single, double combination, or triple combination ovens. Vibrant color displays, luxurious stainless steel, stunning metallic gray glass, and the option to add signature Thermador blue knobs bring elegance to life in two distinct collections: Masterpiece and Professional. Further customize your experience with either standard or flush installation and the option of right or left side opening doors. With one of the largest capacities in their class, Thermador ovens handle both everyday cooking and large celebrations with ease. Explore up to 16 different cooking modes, including dehydrate, slow roast, and rotisserie. Experience more consistent heating and reduced cooking time, even for frozen foods, thanks to true convection and speed convection systems. Broil every dish evenly with Thermador Max Broil, a powerful 4800-watt 12-pass broil element. The removable, dishwasher-safe, heavy-duty rotisserie flawlessly cooks large roasts, poultry, and more. Smooth-gliding, full-access telescopic racks with integrated easy-grip handles safely support heavier dishes. Additional highlights include multi-point temperature probe, halogen theater lighting, soft close hinges, 2-hour self-clean, and super-fast preheat. Preheat your oven remotely. Get a notification when dinner is ready. Access recipe and pairing suggestions and more with the Thermador Connected Experience. Enhance the flavor and texture of your dishes while locking in nutrients when you cook with a Thermador steam oven. Easily prepare several courses at once without flavor transfer, thanks to the largest steam capacity on the market with multiple racks. Expand your culinary options with 17 additional cooking modes, including roast, convection broil, defrost, and reheat. Sleek and efficient, Thermador speed ovens combine convection baking, broiling, and microwaving into one powerful, ultra-convenient unit. With 36 CookSmart Auto Programs, 10 power levels, and 1.6 cubic foot capacity, speed ovens can heat and reheat a wide variety of dishes, including crispy pizzas and gooey cookies. Need extra storage for important items or the ability to keep dishes warm until serving? Add a spacious storage drawer or convenient warming drawer to your triple combination oven to maximize functionality. No matter which option you choose, Thermador Built-in Ovens will bring unparalleled performance and power to your culinary adventure.